Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off read status on TikTok. Okay, first of all, let's just open our TikTok application on our phone and we're gonna open our profile so we can tap on this profile button. And on this profile button, we have to tap on this three lines button on the top right corner of our screen, and we can click on settings and privacy, and here we can select the privacy option. Okay, and we can scroll down until we find the direct messages, this one. Okay, and here we can turn the read status off. You can disable the read status by clicking on the circle button. Okay, and now my read status has been turned off. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn up a read status on TikTok application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.